one, fight!
Alright, so over here it says use tips, and this is for the Wii Stop. So basically it says right here in the use tips on the Wii Stop, if you want to do a new lawn or you want to reseed, you must wait at least 3 to 4 weeks after the application of the Wii Stop. Let's go ahead to the roundup. Alright, so again it says it right here, and this one here is on the how to use section. Alright, it says you will need to wait 4 weeks after the application of this product, and that's about it. So basically it lets you know, even if you put new grass down, it lets you know you have to wait until the grass get established when you're dealing with this stuff. This stuff can tamper with your new seeds, because the new seeds are starting to grow, and this stuff will put a stunt to this growth. And trust me, I know, because I actually did that before. So yeah, that's how I know, by experience. But I'm trying to tell you to read the directions before you use this, especially when you're doing new seeds or overseeding and stuff like that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this brand versus, and stay tuned. We have more coming.